Do you wake up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? No matter how much rest you get, your energy levels stay low, and by midday, you feel completely drained. You try coffee, energy drinks, or power naps, but nothing seems to work. Why are you always tired? Well, the truth is, it's not just about how many hours you sleep. There are hidden reasons why you constantly feel drained, reasons that most people don't even realize. Maybe it's your daily habits, maybe it's your mindset, or maybe it's something you've never even considered. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to break down the real causes behind your constant exhaustion and, more importantly, how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's draining your energy and how to wake up feeling refreshed and full of life every single day. Before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to Productive Sketch. This is the place where we unlock your full potential with the best productivity tips, self-improvement hacks, and motivation to help you become the best version of yourself. So, if you're ready to boost your energy, take control of your life, and finally stop feeling tired all the time, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful insights that can change your life. Now, let's get started. Sleep quality versus sleep quantity, the hidden truth. Many people believe that sleeping longer means feeling more rested. But the truth is, quality matters more than quantity. You can sleep for 8 hours and still wake up exhausted if your sleep is light and disrupted. Deep sleep is the key. Your body repairs itself during deep sleep. If you're constantly waking up or not reaching this stage, you'll feel tired no matter how long you sleep. Poor sleep habits ruin your rest. Using your phone before bed, drinking caffeine late, or sleeping at irregular times prevents your body from getting deep, refreshing sleep. Fix your sleep for more energy. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, avoid screens before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Small changes can improve your sleep quality and help you wake up energized. Focus on better sleep, not just longer sleep, and you'll feel the difference. Bad lifestyle choices, the hidden energy killers. You might think you're just naturally tired, but the truth is, your daily habits are draining your energy. No matter how much you sleep, if your lifestyle is working against you, you'll always feel exhausted. Let's talk about the biggest culprits. Too much caffeine, the energy trap. Caffeine gives you a quick energy boost, but here's the shocking truth, it's actually making you more tired. How? Caffeine disrupts your sleep. If you drink coffee in the afternoon or evening, it stays in your system for 6+ hours, making it harder to get deep sleep. Energy crashes. Coffee gives you a temporary high, but once it wears off, you feel even more exhausted. Dependence, the more coffee you drink, the more your body relies on it, leading to chronic fatigue. Limit caffeine intake, especially after 2 p.m., and switch to water or herbal tea. Poor diet, eating energy-draining foods. Your body runs on fuel, and if you're filling it with junk, it's no wonder you feel sluggish. Processed foods, fast food, chips, and sugary snacks cause blood sugar spikes, followed by energy crashes. Skipping meals, not eating enough leads to low blood sugar, making you feel weak and tired. Not enough protein and nutrients. Your body needs vitamins like B12, iron, and magnesium for energy. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, like eggs, nuts, whole grains, and veggies. Lack of exercise, the silent energy killer. It sounds crazy, but if you're always tired, moving more might be the solution. Sitting all day slows your metabolism and reduces oxygen flow to your brain. No exercise leads to poor circulation, making you feel lazy and sluggish. A weak body equals a tired mind. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily movement, walking, stretching, or working out, can boost energy, improve mood, and reduce fatigue. Hidden health issues, the silent energy drainers. Sometimes, your tiredness isn't just about sleep or lifestyle, it could be a hidden health issue that's draining your energy without you even realizing it. Let's uncover some of the biggest culprits. Vitamin deficiencies, your body is running on empty. Your body needs essential nutrients to function properly. If you're missing key vitamins, you'll feel exhausted no matter how much you rest. Common deficiencies that cause fatigue. Iron deficiency, anemia makes you feel weak, dizzy, and constantly drained. Vitamin B12 deficiency leads to brain fog, weakness, and low energy. Vitamin D deficiency causes muscle fatigue and depression, especially if you don't get enough sunlight. Magnesium deficiency affects your sleep quality and muscle recovery. Eat a balanced diet, leafy greens, eggs, nuts, fish, and consider getting a blood test to check for deficiencies. Stress and anxiety, the hidden energy sucker. Even if you're getting enough sleep, mental stress can exhaust your body just like physical work. Overthinking and constant worrying keep your brain in overdrive, making it harder to rest. Chronic stress increases cortisol, the stress hormone, leading to poor sleep and energy crashes. Anxiety makes your body feel tired all the time, even when you haven't done much. Practice stress management, try meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or short breaks to reset your mind. Medical conditions, could it be something more? If you've tried everything and still feel exhausted, It could be a medical condition like thyroid issues. An underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, slows your metabolism, making you feel weak and sluggish. Sleep disorders, conditions like sleep apnea prevent deep sleep, leaving you tired all day. Diabetes or blood sugar imbalances can cause extreme fatigue. If your tiredness never improves, see a doctor for a checkup. Sometimes, fatigue is your body's way of warning you about an underlying health issue. Mental and emotional exhaustion, the invisible energy drain. Feeling drained even after resting? The problem might not be physical, it's mental and emotional exhaustion. Overthinking wears you out. Constant worrying and overanalyzing drain your brain's energy. Set time limits for decisions and practice mindfulness to stay present. Negative thoughts drain energy. Self-doubt and negative self-talk make you feel exhausted. Replace them with positive affirmations and focus on solutions, not problems. Too much screen time overloads your brain. Endless scrolling and digital noise overwhelm your mind. Take regular breaks from screens and try tech-free moments during the day. Unresolved stress keeps you tired. Carrying emotional stress is like holding a heavy weight all day. Talk to someone, write in a journal, or practice relaxation techniques to release tension. Lack of purpose leads to burnout. When you don't feel motivated or excited about life, energy levels drop. Set small goals, find activities you enjoy, and give yourself reasons to wake up energized. Protect your mental energy just like your physical energy. A clear mind equals more energy. How to fix it? Simple daily habits to boost your energy. Feeling tired all the time? Fixing it doesn't require extreme changes, just a few simple daily habits can make a huge difference. Fix your sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid screens before bed, keep your room dark, and aim for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Stay hydrated. Dehydration leads to fatigue. Start your day with a glass of water and keep sipping throughout the day to stay energized. Eat for energy. Avoid sugary, processed foods that cause energy crashes. Instead, eat protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep your energy stable. Move your body. Exercise increases blood flow and fights fatigue. Even a 10-minute walk can wake you up and improve focus. Manage stress. Mental exhaustion drains energy fast. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or journaling to keep your mind calm and focused. Cut back on caffeine. Too much caffeine can ruin your sleep and leave you even more tired. Stick to moderate amounts and avoid it in the evening. Start these habits today, and you'll notice a real boost in your energy levels. Feeling tired all the time isn't just about sleep, it's about how you live your life. If you keep ignoring your health, mind, and habits, exhaustion will keep chasing you. But the good news? You have the power to change it. Start today. Fix your sleep, move your body, eat better, clear your mind, and find what excites you. Small, consistent changes will transform your energy, mood, and life. Don't wait for energy to come to you, create it. Your future self is counting on you. Take control of your energy today. Which habit will you start today? Comment below.